G'day, it's Colin from Wurth. And last week I showed you the fantastic Wurth hole saw kit. Today I've got the mini sanding and grinding kit. So let's have a look. So first thing you'll notice, it comes in the fantastic Wurth system case. Now what we've got in here is we've got a right angle die grinder, the tools for that, and then we've got some sanding and polishing discs in here as well. We've got the backing plates, some cutting discs, things like that. Now the guys who use this is anyone who works with metal. So we're talking motor mechanics, we're talking boiler makers, welders, things like that. So let's now go a bit of fun and we'll have a play. So just to recap what we get in here, we've got the fantastic right angle die grinder. We've got the Wurth sanding biscuits, and you get the arbor as well. And they've got the power lock adapter, which makes them really quick and simple to attach. There's an assortment of different grit grinding wheels. There's also little flap wheels here, some cutting discs and some arbors. Now don't forget too that it's all refillable using all the barcodes and the article numbers at the top. So if you have any questions about this kit, please leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like our page, and this kit is ready for work.